Welcome to the realm of Chat GPT, the extraordinary AI language model that causes a buzz in the tech world. Here in AI Techscape, we invite you to embark on an exciting journey where innovation meets lucrative potential. From garnering both intense criticism and genuine awe, ChatGPT is rewriting the rules of AI, and you have a front row seat to this revolutionary transformation. Dive deep into the core of ChatGPT's capabilities, where prompt engineering unlocks a world of possibilities. Imagine crafting precise instructions using words, enabling you to harness ChatGPT's power like never before. With prompt engineering, you have the key to tapping into potential earnings of up to $340,000 annually. A true game changer in the realm of AI. With AI Techscape as your ally, you'll find yourself at the forefront of AI innovation, opening doors to limitless opportunities and a prosperous future in the AI landscape. Now, without further ado, let's start. ChatGPT, a remarkable AI language model, has stirred a diverse range of reactions. Some individuals had strong criticisms, while others were genuinely impressed. ChatGPT belongs to the domain of large language models, an innovative category of artificial intelligence causing quite a stir in the technological landscape. People employ their expertise to instruct these language models in a specific manner, coaxing the best possible results out of them. At the core of ChatGPT's capabilities lies the art of prompt engineering. Much like a programmer crafts intricate lines of code to create software, prompt engineering involves constructing precise instructions using words. However, unlike programming languages, ChatGPT prompts offer a unique way to interact with the model and influence its responses. And here's the exciting part. Proficiency in prompt engineering can lead to lucrative rewards with a potential annual earnings ranging from an impressive $250,000 to a staggering $335,000. Quite a handsome figure, isn't it? Moreover, the significance of handling these large language models becomes more apparent. In this rapidly evolving landscape of AI technologies, a person's value in society and competitive edge are closely tied to their ability to effectively utilize and shape these powerful tools. While relying on existing prompts can be helpful, there's a notable shift in focus toward the demand for those who can craft their own original prompts. Such skill has the potential to elevate individuals to new heights in the realm of AI and make them invaluable assets to the ever-expanding technological frontier. But let's get real for a moment. Shortcuts are not the way to go when it comes to working with ChatGPT. If you think you can simply churn out 100 blog posts in an hour using language model, think again. There are 3 critical warnings that you should be wary about. Firstly, the warning spotlight falls on Google, a giant in the tech world. They have already started playing games with AI-generated content, implementing what they call shadow banning. The digital background between major search engines like Google and Microsoft is characterized by constant shifts and changes, making it a highly volatile terrain. Building your entire business around AI-generated content is akin to dancing on a tightrope, with uncertainty and risks at every turn. The second warning brings the spotlight onto people, especially businesses and recruiters who have begun leveraging AI detection tools to sift through the vast sea of online information. In this rapidly evolving field, where everyone is eager to claim expertise, it's becoming increasingly challenging to discern genuine insights from ChatGPT's generated text. Caution becomes the watchword for anyone navigating the AI-generated information landscape. Finally, the third warning focuses on the horizon, where businesses start ponying up about $42 per month for the privilege of using ChatGPT. When this happens, they won't be content with run-of-the-mill content that everyone else is using. They'll be on the lookout for professional assistance, seeking an edge over their competitors. it becomes clear that there is a growing demand for expertise in prompt engineering to offer something unique and valuable in this ever-expanding market. Now, if you're interested in learning prompt engineering, there are 5 essential steps you should take as a beginner. Begin your journey by exploring prompting.org. This platform serves as a solid starting point, offering research-backed information that provides a robust foundation for prompt engineering. Sharing your learning progress on professional networks like LinkedIn and Twitter can be an excellent way to enhance your understanding and engage with the broader community. Next, active involvement in Discord communities is highly recommended. These communities are home to experienced individuals who are more than willing to lend a helping hand. The culture of camaraderie and mutual assistance among community members is truly remarkable. Don't be shy. Participate actively and benefit from the collective knowledge and support that these communities offer. Then, keep a close eye on learnprompting.org as it promises exciting developments and intriguing insights into the realm of prompt engineering. Staying informed about the latest trends and practices will undoubtedly serve you well on your journey. The 4th step takes you to the source itself, OpenAI's API. Join the community forum and official Discord server of OpenAI to gain direct access to the best practices and valuable insights from experts in the field. Engaging with the creators of the technology can provide you with a deeper understanding of the intricacies of prompt engineering. Next is GitHub Prompt Engineering Guide, a treasure trove of countless links and resources circulating within Discord servers. It acts as an essential hub, consolidating the various tools and links that contribute to prompt engineering success. Last but not the least, delve into the Chat GPT Prompt Book. This user-friendly resource offers practical examples and concise explanations to enhance your understanding of prompt engineering concepts. In the midst of this rapidly evolving technological landscape, it's easy to feel like you're behind the curve. However, don't get overwhelmed. The truth is, you're an early adopter, and being proactive about understanding the fundamentals and gaining practical experience will set you on the path to success. In your quest to harness the power of prompt engineering, consider these crucial steps. Begin by identifying repetitive tasks in your daily routine, like answering emails. This will help you grasp the concept of prompt engineering and its real-world applications. As you advance, define problems and set clear goals to prompt engineering. Articulating your objectives will guide you as you navigate this fascinating realm. Take a moment to consider the constraints that come into play. Being mindful of limitations will enable you to fine-tune your approach to prompt engineering. Keep in mind that the end result isn't solely determined by the goal itself. When working with AI detectors, a touch of your unique judgment can elevate the outcome beyond mere replication. Develop a curious, inquisitive mindset, embracing the role of a researcher in the realm of prompting. Pay attention to what works, what doesn't, and the underlying reasons driving the outcomes. Become a lifelong learner, constantly seeking to expand your knowledge base and expertise. Implement what you learn in real-life applications and iterate on the process as you progress. As you gain proficiency, you'll find yourself using prompts to create diverse content. From visually compelling graphics and engaging text to captivating videos, interactive apps, stunning websites, and even cutting-edge software applications. The potential applications of prompt engineering are as vast as your creativity allows. The world of AI is rapidly transforming, and prompt engineering has emerged as a powerful tool shaping the future of human-machine interaction. The possibilities are limitless, and your journey into this cutting-edge realm has only just begun. As you immerse yourself in the captivating world of prompt engineering, you'll witness the transformation of your creative visions into reality. Embrace this evolving landscape, and before you know it, you'll be at the forefront of the AI revolution, leaving your mark on the unfolding story of technological innovation. Thank you for watching this video. We appreciate your support, so please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more thrilling AI content as we continue to delve into the ever-evolving AI techscape together. Exciting opportunities await!